Okay. Okay, so this is a video that I originally recorded when I thought it'd be really funny to do an OnlyFans. Um, but I made my dad's famous rum balls. He has made them every year since I was a little kid. And when I filmed this, obviously it wasn't for YouTube, so there's copywritten music in the background. And while I could have done a horrendous job of trying to cover up the music, I just decided to voice over it. Yeah, so it is what it is. You start off with, you grind up a whole bunch of vanilla wafers. It's easier to just do it all to begin with so that you can just portion everything out. That's basically what I'm saying here. Yeah. Rolling the balls. What? I don't know. Should probably have sound on. We're not doing that. Anyways. I was talking to my wife. I like it when she's in videos with me. That's another reason I didn't like. I originally I didn't want to mute it because we do have some really funny things. My dad makes some of the rum balls with 151. That's what that face was. Trust me, you'll see more of that face later when I actually eat one of the 151 rum balls. It's like chewing a shot. It's pretty bad. But yeah. We grew up making these with my dad, and one year when we were like 6 or 7, we were rolling the 151 rum balls, and it was like soaking through our skin until we got wasted, and my dad made us wear gloves after that. Guess you only make that mistake once. But anyways, here's my wife. It's not sketchy at all with a knife. Terrifying. It's always the short ones you gotta watch out for. Anyways, look at that cocoa. This is like one of the slightly strangeliest. Is that a word? It is now. Edited videos because of all of the conversation that was going on in it. Which seems kind of stupid to tell you about because obviously you can't hear it because I have muted it. Look at that rum. Basically, when you're making these though, you want to add just enough rum till it all holds together, and you'll see it kind of goes into a dough ball. Right about here. It's like the blob that ate everyone, just kind of running around the bowl. That's what you want. I made a joke about fondling balls here. Which, to be fair, you know, is a good medical thing. You know, you should fondle your bits to make sure you don't get ball cancer. Nobody wants ball cancer. Nobody wants cancer. Cancer sucks. Anyways, so yeah, you just make little balls, you roll in powdered sugar, and you get powdered sugar everywhere in the kitchen, because why not? Generally, I always make 2 batches when I'm making rum balls, because it's what my dad has always done. You make half of them with just regular rum, and then the other half with 151. You don't really want to mix those up unless, you know, you enjoy like kind of pranking people with, you know, being like, oh, look at this delicious confection I have made. And then, you know, you make them chew a shot. 'Cause that's a lot. What am I doing here? I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm talking. I talk a lot. I have quail that are like incessantly pecking stuff behind me, so that's probably definitely going to come through on this audio, which is really annoying. Oh look, we're done. Okay, I'm going to try a regular one. And my wife has given me crap about trying a regular one and being a wimp. But, you know, I do what I want. It's my show. Damn it. As you can tell, the regular ones are just yummy. I don't drink. So, you know, the rum is very noticeable. But in the regular ones, it blends really well and it's yummy. Not so much with the 151, which I am gonna try here shortly because hashtag peer pressure. Oh, here it goes. Yeah. the range of emotions. Typically, you would freeze rum balls, and my dad's method of eating rum balls, especially the 151, is to put it in between your cheek and your teeth and let it dissolve. That for me is really, really hard to do though, because it literally feels like your teeth have fallen out because it just makes the side of your tongue. I haven't been drinking, I promise. It makes the side of your tongue go numb, as well as it just kind of makes your teeth. It's an experience, for sure. But when they're super fresh, they dissolve a lot quicker. But it's also harder. Yeah, there it goes. It's harder to keep it there because it's extremely strong. It's like trying to hold a shot in your mouth. I don't recommend it. It's kind of terrible. I would actually be interested in one day getting a breathalyzer, just, you know, either while you've got one of the 151 rum balls or like right after you've taken it, because like I swear your breath is flammable when you have that thing in your mouth. Like, that's what she said. But yeah, they're good though. I don't know what it is. It's something like horrendously awful and it's still good. I don't know how to explain it. It's like the people that like to be shocked. Like, I don't get it personally. I really don't get it, but I don't know, maybe it's like the warhead syndrome, you know? Like you're super uncomfortable during the whole thing. Oh, I'm giving one to my wife. She immediately like bit into it and started frowning. And she was like, "Why did you do this to me?" Yeah. We did use a different 151, and it was a dark 151. Which to me, all 151s were the same, you know, as far as bite goes, but for her it was sorry, I'm making like horrendous faces. For her it was even worse because she said it reminded her of Kraken, even though the one we used wasn't a spiced rum, but I guess, you know, everyone's got that one alcohol that they had a little too much of, and it has scarred them for life. And so I guess for her that was Kraken. So yeah, there was like an ice shot slide. Yeah, I don't know, crazy things. Upstate New York, I guess they do some weird stuff for entertainment. It's a lot of drinking. But yeah, definitely like chewing a shot. Am I selling this? You guys want to make rum balls now? It makes the whole side of your mouth go numb. Like my tongue was numb my cheek and my teeth on that side were also numb. It was kind of terrible. But fun. I don't know. Delicious. But yeah, anyways, I still wanted to put a video out this week, even though it's already late because it is Thursday. But we had a really crappy week, and everything did not go according to plan, as life tends to want to do. But I still want to put out something, and I remembered I had filmed this, and 'tis the season and all that fun stuff. But yeah. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're being able to do something fun with your family. Yeah, just give everyone in your life some extra love, because we are not guaranteed a certain amount of time. I'll see you next Tuesday. Hopefully.